Ever tried to change your life? You know the feeling. It's not excitement. It's not freedom. It's grief, because you're not just building a new version of yourself. You're bearing the old one. And just like death, it feels heavy, painful, final. But the Stoics understood this. They didn't fear it. They welcomed it. The pain of change is normal. Our minds are wired to cling to what's familiar. Even if it's hurting us, we hold on because it's comfortable. Seneca once said, "It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare, but because we do not dare that they are difficult." Leaving a job that drains you, ending a relationship that no longer serves you, moving to a city where you know no one. Even when it's the right choice, it can feel like you've lost part of yourself. The Stoics would tell us, this pain isn't a warning sign to stop. It's proof you're on the right path. Reinvention requires death, not of your body, but of your habits, beliefs, and comforts. Epictetus said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought as foolish and stupid." The old version of you will resist. It will whisper, "This isn't you." It will try to pull you back into old routines. Think of it like pruning a tree. You cut away healthy branches, not because you hate the tree, but because you want it to grow stronger. That's what you're doing with your life. Why death is good to the Stoics. Death, whether physical or symbolic, was part of nature's cycle. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it." When you let the old self die, what you're really killing are illusions, lies about who you are and what you can be. What's left behind is leaner, stronger, and more aligned with virtue. This isn't destruction, it's a transformation. How you welcome the death of old you instead of fighting it. Step 1, identify what needs to go. Write down the habits, beliefs, even relationships that no longer align with who you're becoming. If it drains your peace, it doesn't deserve your future. Step 2, accept the discomfort. Don't run from it. Don't numb it. Just feel it. That pain you're feeling, it's proof something inside you is shifting. Step 3, focus on who you're becoming, not what you're losing. You're not falling apart. You're being rebuilt. And if you want to train that muscle of letting go, practice small deaths, like the Stoics did. Practice fast. Take cold baths, sleep on the floor. Tiny rehearsals for releasing comfort and embracing growth. That's how you evolve. Not by clinging to what was, but by making peace with what you're losing. Embrace your rebirth. The death of the old you isn't a tragedy, it's nature. Every leaf falls so the tree can grow. Every tide recedes so it can return stronger. If you're in the middle of change and it hurts, don't run. You're not dying. You're being reborn. And that's why reinvention feels like death, and why that's good. Marcus Aurelius said, "What stands in the way becomes the way."